Hello, Mr. CEO of the best medical supply company in the world. My name is Charles Legacy with ESW Capital, and today I'm going to discuss why the acquisition of Apps2U by ESW Capital will benefit you and your company. Um, the acquisition of Apps2U by ESW Capital will provide a proven business model, and you now are in better hands with your medical supply company. Acquiring software companies and improving on them is the lifeblood of ESW Capital. And ESW Capital understands it costs 5 times more to acquire a new customer than keeping the current loyal customer to our brand. Now, ESW Capital focuses on buying, strengthening, then growing mature business software companies since 1988. And the group includes notable brands such as Ignite Technologies, Triology, and Versata. The company is capitalized by a family office located in Austin, Texas. We don't sell assets at ESW. We run companies for the long term. Our acquisition appetite. We are interested in acquiring all types of business software and IT service companies spanning the spectrum from SMB through enterprise. Our portfolio includes SaaS, on-premise software, tech-enabled managed services, and pure IT consulting companies in North America and Europe. Our group companies enjoy significant competitive advantages. Our proven business model equals our customers love us. And proven operating platform is what we have, and what this gives you is a cost structure advantage. Our global footprint and breadth of offerings equals distribution advantages. And unique Prime program delivers free enterprise software to our customers, and our revolutionary crossover recruiting platform gives us our ability to quickly spin up global world-class talent. Now, Henry Ford once said that when you hire people who are smarter than you, it proves you are smarter than they are. The trick is to find the right person for the most part. They all cost roughly the same. Why not hire a person with more education and experience than you? We're all looking for more precious time in our lives, and hiring pros gives us that time. And that's the same with the software. You want to have software that is smart, but not smarter than you. So you're doing the smart thing by sticking with us in ESW Capital. Now, in your medical supply industry, timely and quality delivery will make or break your reputation. Our strong ISV relationship and specialized knowledge of industry challenges will help ensure your customer stays happy. And Apps2U is a great company, and we will make it better at ESW Capital. And here are some more of the companies that ESW has acquired. I'm going to leave you with a quote by the great Henry Ford here. I do appreciate your time today and the opportunity to work for ESW Capital.